Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn the alphabets. If you are new, then kindly subscribe and like our channel. So we will get started. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lamp, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for dog, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for xylophone, Y for yak, Z for zebra. Thank you so much kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.